Hey everybody, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Check out this 2018 Sea Ray 350 SLX that we just took in. You have your sea deck here on the swim platform. Great aft seating. This is a real great boat for over at the Sun Pad or out at Tice Shoal if you're a local person. Nice walk-through transom. Has a great sound system on here. Nice U-shaped seating. Also has the shore shade. It's tucked up into the hardtop at the moment, but it's all, as you can see here, it's all electric activated, so this way it'll shade out the whole cockpit. Great shot at the back here. Now this also too has the sea deck throughout the boat. Plenty of seating for all your guests and friends, family. Cockpit refrigerator, trash can. You have a nice work area here, countertop, sink. That's for your engine hatch lift there. This has the twin 8.1 Merc Cruiser engines in it, 380 horsepower. Here on your passenger side, you have a nice twin helm, as well as the captain's area. Has the joystick piloting. You have the nice digital throttle and shift. This also has upgraded electronics with the Ray Marine Fusion stereo system. Very, very nice, well put together and thought out boat from Sea Ray. This way you can do, it's got the range to cruise, so you can kind of do a little bit of everything. Go out in the ocean, tool the bay, go out to Atlantic City. You know, again, you can really go out and hang out with a lot of guests on board here for entertaining purposes. Okay, let's get, there's a canvas enclosure for this that's down here in the head. It also too has the nice vinyl up here on the dash, so blocks the sun down. Up here in the bow, again, plenty of seating. There's also cockpit table. You have all kinds of night lighting, through-hull windlass, spotlight, armrests here for you, so this way, again, if you're kicking back, a lot of room with the walk through. Now what's nice too in this model from Sea Ray is they have a small little changing area, but check this out. Look at that. So this way now you could step down into. It's good for just doing like an ideal, like if you wanted to kind of change, take a nap. It's also too where your AC, where your panels and battery switches are. So they do a real nice job with that. And this way kind of, again, if you have small children or you need to just, you know, step out, change, if somebody's using the head compartment, all right, you can kind of do what you got to do. But this is an all-around day boat, and when you're out at the sandbar, lunch, drinks, just tooling around, having a good time. But that's what this is meant for. It's a very good boat from Sea Ray, very popular. It's been around for several years now, and it's a great upgrade if you have like a 24 to a 27. With the joystick, makes it very simple and easy for docking. The seat will swivel too, but great area up here, you know, again at the helm, and then it's very simple. So this way, if you're here running, you have plenty of eyesight here. Okay, obviously we're in winter storage up here, but if you want to see this boat or any other boat, please give us a call at 609-494-2102. This is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Long Beach, Ireland, on the 2018 Sea Ray 350 SLX that just came in on trade and can be shown by appointment only. And we look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you out on the water. Thank you, and have a great day.